A new badge. No, 4 new badges. The poison dolphin badge. Sorry, I'm kind of food. The dolphin badge. The interface, and I think there's the coin. So first we're gonna go to receipt. Oh, my bike just stopped. What's this at? Okay, so we're gonna go to the. So what are we gonna do? I can't even write this. So like, it doesn't. Okay, we need to go to the house messed up. What does this ad keep popping? Okay, so first badge is in the house badge. I think in the house badge. I'm not quite sure, but I think it is in the house badge. This one I don't know how to do this. I'm kind of worried because I can't get the badge, and I can't get the badge. Do I have fall damage? Oh my god, is this gonna take a long video? No. Oh god, okay, I need to stop popping ads. I did it. Okay, good. Thank you. Is anyone home? Okay, so we're gonna get the bridge. Make sure you have to do like, make sure you do it, and then you're gonna jump like that. You're gonna jump like that, okay? Make sure you do like this to get that badge. Oh, sorry. So now for a second badge is gonna be in the city. No, wait, not city. Here. Then there's a secret one over there. Wait, no. I don't remember. Okay, so where was he? Here's the dolphin badge. Here's the dolphin badge. And then let's go to the school map, I think. And then, okay. For the interface badge, there's like 3 skins, which is, where is it? I think I saw it. Oh, there it is. Okay, you're gonna go there. Then I'll show you the school map one, okay. Go here for that. Then we're gonna go to the school. Why are so many? Okay, then we're gonna go here. Go to here. No. Yes, here. And then you're gonna click on this, and then you're gonna okay, then sorry. Let's go show you guys the skins. I see our skins right now. Closest poison bone skin. Okay, here's the poison bone skin. Awesome. Okay, let's go to the yeah, we're stuck. Now we go. Oh. Reset one. What the? How's up? Oh, okay, I got it. Here's the second batch. And here is the third. that. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.